Brian here, the CEO and founder of DAiM. Welcome to our summary video for our March 2023 letter. As for the forecast, I was on a podcast last Thursday and I was speaking about the short to medium term, and I pointed out one thing to really watch was the VIX. The VIX had gone through 20 and it even gone through 19, and here we are selling off in the capital markets and in Bitcoin, really related to rates going higher for longer. Okay, next piece of thing to really pay attention to is if you're saving in an IRA, this is a way to battle inflation, is to avoid paying taxes on retirement investments. So what can you do? The deadline to contribute to an IRA for 2022 is coming up in April. That's on tax day. The max contribution is $6,000. For 2023 though, you can contribute $6,500. If you haven't done either of those contributions, you can actually put $12,500 to work. If you're going to contribute through a trad IRA, we can backdoor that into a Roth, and then the gains in the Roth are tax-free at time of distribution. So you have the amplification of a great asset like Bitcoin that can do multiples in an account, gaining tax-free, and at time of retirement, taking those distributions tax-free. Okay, the next thing to talk about is Bitcoin Ordinals. You've probably seen some stuff about this, really gaining some chatter. The first thing that was kind of notable that was imprinted on the blockchain was some art. Somebody recorded an audio version of some kind of body part movement. It was kind of unique to see, but we put a link to that in the video. It just kind of shows that you can kind of post anything on the blockchain. So we think that there's some economic value to this and that it's going to be great for the future development of Bitcoin, the blockchain, and for asset prices. Last thing to go through is Nostr. It's a decentralized social media platform. You kind of have to sign everything that you do with your keys. Some things are kind of hard to reverse out of. It saw some explosive growth when it came out, kind of really rocketed it up to like 400,000 users, and now it's around 600,000. It's kind of plateauing. A little bit cumbersome to use, but it's really a great product to show the capabilities of the space. And guys are working to make things much better and smoother with a much better UI. So this is another example of how digital assets and blockchain can work together to really have decentralized, communications that go on out there. Really positive for the space as well, just like the Ordinals. Check us out too. We've had some good media coverage. That's in the links. There's also that podcast I was mentioning earlier. And if you're kind of new to the channel or you have people that need help investing in the space, you can be an affiliate partner. We do pay $400 per client that gets referred in and becomes a client of ours. So check that out and let us know if you want to participate. If you have any questions for us, please hit us up. We're here to help.